Welcome to UVexplorer. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and monitoring Windows services. Monitoring Windows services, UVexplorer ensures background applications are running properly and alerts if there are any issues. Begin by clicking on the Monitors tab. This section allows you to manage various types of monitors available in UVexplorer. On the left-hand side, select Service TCP Port Monitors. This option enables you to monitor specific services running on your Windows devices. To create a new monitor, right-click within the main panel and choose Add from the context menu. A monitor configuration form will appear, allowing you to customize the monitor's settings, select target devices, and define the monitoring schedule. Under the Settings tab, provide a meaningful name and description for your monitor. Specify the TCP port number associated with the Windows service you wish to monitor. For instance, port 3389 is commonly used for remote desktop services. Next, navigate to the Devices tab. Here, select the Windows devices where the target service is running. You can choose multiple devices as needed. Move to the Schedule tab to define how frequently UVexplorer should check the status of the service. For critical services, a 5-minute interval is recommended. Within the Events section, configure how you'd like to be alerted in case of service issues. Options include logging events within UVexplorer, sending email notifications, or displaying desktop alerts. Once all configurations are set, click Save to activate the monitor. UVexplorer will now continuously monitor the specified Windows service and notify you of any unexpected outages or performance problems. Thank you for choosing UVexplorer to monitor your network services. For more information and support, visit our website at www.UVexplorer.com.